Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Preview pane in Windows 11 so you can see your files without actually opening them. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, let's make sure the feature is actually turned on. Windows 11 sometimes hides the setting after an update, so what you do is just simply go ahead and open your File Explorer by clicking on your This PC or your File Explorer option at the taskbar. Then in the File Explorer, just simply look at the top of the window over here. You'll see a View option. Click on that, and then over here, a small menu will pop up. Make sure that the Preview pane has a check mark next to it. If it doesn't, just simply click on it and it'll be turned on. Once that is done, you can click on any file to preview what is inside of it, and you should be able to see the preview right over here. Now, if for some reason the panel is open but it says no preview available, you likely have a hidden setting disabled, and this is the most common fix. So in the same File Explorer window, click on the three dots at the top right of that menu. And then over here, just simply click on Options. Now a new window called Folder Options will pop up over here. Just simply click on the View tab over here. And now over here, just simply scroll down in the list until you see a checkbox that says Show Preview Handlers in Preview Pane. And make sure this box is checked. If it is empty, that's your problem. So make sure to check this and then click on Apply, then OK. And if it is still not working, the process might just be stuck, so we can force it to restart without rebooting your whole computer. So what you do is just simply right-click on the Start button, then just simply click on Task Manager. Now over here in the Processes list, just simply scroll down until you see Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer, and after that, you should be able to see an option called Restart. Just simply click on that option, and everything will flash for a second. And don't worry, this is absolutely normal, because once it comes back, open the folder again and check your Preview pane, and it should be working perfectly fine. So that's it. You can now browse through your files faster and easier. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.